If you've suffered from a broken finger or a hand injury, you might be finding yourself struggling to get your finger mobility back. Maybe you've been stretching and exercising for what feels like forever, but you are just not noticing any improvement and you feel like you're just spinning your wheels. Hi guys, I'm Michelle from Virtual Hand Care, and in this video, I'm gonna share my 3 secrets to stretching your fingers the right way. So let's dive right in. The first secret is stretching at the right angle, or what I like to refer as the proper line of pull. This means to perform the stretch in a way that follows the natural direction of your fingers. And when you stretch your fingers, you should be stretching them towards the base of your thumb. Just look at the way your fingers move on your uninjured side. When you go to flex or curl your fingers, every finger moves at an angle towards your thumb. And this is completely normal. And so when you're stretching, you want to make sure that you're following that natural direction or that natural line of pull towards your thumb. This helps to maximize the effectiveness of the stretch, because pulling in the opposite direction, even slightly, can strain your ligaments and further add stress and swelling to your healing finger, and therefore not giving you the results you're looking for. The second secret is holding your stretch for the appropriate length of time. Of course, the right length of time to hold a stretch will depend on many factors, such as the muscle or tendon or ligament that you're stretching, whether or not you had surgery and what structures might have been repaired, if you're stretching through scar tissue, and so many more. As a general guideline, most people are told to hold a stretch anywhere from like 2 to 3 seconds up to 15 to 30 seconds. And most of the time, that's enough for your muscles to relax and lengthen. However, if you've been stretching for quite some time, maybe many weeks or maybe even many months, and you're not seeing improvement, you may need to start implementing what's called LLLD, also known as low load, long duration stretching. This involves holding a stretch for a longer length of time, such as a minute, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, even sometimes up to 30 minutes. Now, you don't necessarily have to hold that stretch for 30 minutes, but there are different types of devices that can help do that for you. And keep in mind, the term low load refers to low tension or pressure, but also keeping that stretch at a low pain level. This helps minimize the risk of injury and discomfort and too much swelling after you stretch. So bottom line is, you may not be stretching your fingers long enough to see results. And finally, the third secret to stretching your fingers the right way is skin mobility, also known as skin gliding. One way to determine if this could be limiting your progress with your range of motion is to simply compare your finger or fingers to uninjured fingers. Do you notice the same amount of wrinkles in that finger versus another finger? Do you notice any shininess, or maybe any areas where it looks a little whitish or kind of blanched? Is your finger more swollen compared to the uninjured finger? And these are all indicators that your skin is already tensioned. So when you go to stretch your fingers, the largest organ in your body, aka your skin, could have a very powerful and often painful resistance against you, keeping you from progressing. So one way to help with this is to improve your skin mobility by doing skin gliding techniques. To do this, you want to locate the area of restriction on your finger. So this could be an area of skin that feels very tight. Maybe you notice less wrinkles. So go ahead and just move your skin around nice and lightly. And what you might notice is some areas that are not quite moving as well. Maybe there's an area that's a little tensioned or tight, or maybe even have a scar on that area. And so then you want to gently apply light pressure to that area with your fingers, or you can use a non-slip material such as Dysom or THERABAND. Next, you want to move the skin in a smooth but repetitive manner. This will help separate the skin to whatever structures it's stuck to underneath. And what you're looking to do is to try to get that skin to eventually start moving. and creating some wrinkles. I love wrinkles. Wrinkles mean you have some ability to move, and that means that your skin isn't necessarily restricting you. We need wrinkles in all of our joints. So let's create some wrinkles with the skin gliding technique. And then eventually what you want to do is actually start moving that joint as you're doing the skin gliding technique. And then you just want to continue to glide that skin and move at the same time. Now, you do not want to be overly aggressive or forceful with this technique. That can often be counterproductive. You're not looking to damage your skin. Now, if you continue to struggle with stretching your fingers, it can always be helpful to seek assistance from a certified hand therapist who can watch your technique and maybe guide you through some more custom type of stretching that can work for your condition. Now, let me know in the comments below if any of these 3 secrets to stretching your fingers helped you. If you found this video helpful, do please give it a like and hit that subscribe button below. If you're looking for more exercises to improve your finger range of motion and decrease your stiffness, then check out these videos here. Until next time, thanks for watching.